I'm talking about foul language today. Bad language, colorful language you call it to make it look cool and chic. It doesn't make you look cool, right? And if you are trying to fit in with this kind of foul language, you're labeling each other like you're in the wrong crowd. Run to the hills. Get away from the crowd who actually accepts you only and makes you feel fitting in. With this foul language, you're in the wrong crowd. It makes you look primitive. Jahil, ignorant. You want to follow the good crowd? Follow the crowd of the people who use civilized language, who are focused on their studies in this dunya and for the deen. Follow the crowd that is actually intellectually invested into the good knowledge. If your crowd, if your network, if your friend circle makes you use the foul language and talk about sex, talk about sexual content, sexual jokes and all that, in the wrong crowd. We are the followers of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Example from his lifetime that even the worst enemies who actually tried to take away his life, he did not use the bad language. He did not use foul words. There were foul words in his time too, but people who are intellectual, people who follow values, and they use their brain while communicating, they never utilize bad words. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ never even went to any conventional college or university. He used good language, good words, words of wisdom, and he was knowledgeable and valuable at the same time.